Hey there, it's Claudia here. I just wanted to say welcome to week 2. And as you were working on your civil companies and job research, I noticed that no one has posted their actual presentation or assignments to the discussion board. So I wanted to remind you that that is one of your expectations. You will begin actually discussing your project presentations with your classmates. So I'm just going to take you over here to the activities link under discussions, and I just want to remind you that this is where that is found. Thank you all for uploading your assignments on time. I really appreciate that. If you come over here to discussions under your week 1, you'll notice that I had you go ahead and post what companies you will be choosing or you have chosen. And it looks like you all picked some really good ones, so I'm really excited to see what you've found out. But you also have the civil engineering jobs and companies research discussion that needs to start. So it says, please refer to the Dropbox for exact directions. Basically what I want you to do is I want you to come here just as a team. Each one of your teams just pick one person to post your presentation to this area. All right. Once you've posted that presentation, start some discussion, like something interesting that you found out about the company. So you actually start talking about your presentation. Think about what you would be doing in the classroom and how you would be presenting this information to your classmates. You're kind of doing the same thing, but you're doing it via Desire to Learn. That might even mean that you do just a quick video recording of yourself talking a little bit about your presentation. So talk amongst each other, whoever your teammates are, and then go ahead and post that up there and start your discussions. I will not grade this assignment until we have completed those discussions at the end of the week. All right. We're on to week 2, and we're getting into drafting tools. So make sure you look at this discussion as well. There's a couple of videos that I have posted for you, and those videos explain the drawing template that you will be working on. One thing that I have failed to ask is, who has already been exposed to AutoCAD? Send me just a quick link, whether that be via just the discussions forum, and you can do that. Let's see, I must have that at the very bottom. You can use the discussion forum. Well, I can't find it, so I'll put it on there. I thought I put a discussion forum in here where you can just ask general questions and things like that. But just post in there if you've already taken CAD 101 and CAD 102, or if you're doing that concurrently. That gives me an idea of who is actually already taken CAD and how much time I really need to spend with making sure that you're understanding the CAD concepts and things that are going on. So anyways, I hope you're having a great week. Take care. All right. Make sure you let me know.